It seems that a black man only knows peace in the womb. After he's born, he turns into a fighter, steadily caught in the ring of life. Now, the black man's gym is his mind. His fight is not against flesh, but against a power that's well-defined. He's the mat that is constantly stepped on. His opponent threw a jab at his pride, a uppercut to his dignity, a strong right to his finances, a kidney punch to his dreams of a united family. When the black man was tired of being the punching bag, he leaned back just a little to relax. Suddenly he come back swinging knockouts, knockout against ignorance, knockout for his self-respect. This is better than going to the corner to restore his lacerated dignity and to sober up from his punch-drunk pride. Fight on, black fighter, for he who fight can tell a good story, and he who does not wins no